everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some gluten-free and dairy-free pumpkin pies. And what you need is 2 eggs, 2 cups of pumpkin, some white sugar, some vegetable oil, some ground cinnamon, some baking soda, and gluten-free flour. Alright, then we need 2 cups of gluten-free flour, which is right here. And we're going to pour that in. Alright, then we need 2 cups of white sugar. And with once amount, you want to pour some into the measuring cup and then level it out. And then you keep on making adjustments until it's at the measurement that you need it to be at. Alright, then there's 2 cups of sugar. And with the measurements, it doesn't have to be exactly the same measurement, but try to get it close to be the same measurement. Alright, then we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And there's a teaspoon right there. Alright, then we need 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. And there's 1 teaspoon. And there's 2 teaspoons. Alright, then we need 1 cup of vegetable oil. And there's a cup of vegetable oil. Alright, then we need these 2 eggs beaten. And then we are going to use a whisk to do that. Or you can use a fork instead. Alright, and then the trick to getting the egg open is by cracking on the side like this. And there should be a crack like that. And we are going to split it open. And then we are going to repeat that same part with the other egg. Okay, then we're going to take the whisk and whisk it. And then it should look like that. Then we're going to put that in. And then we are going to mix all of that together. And then after this is all mixed together, we are going to add the 2 cups of pumpkin. And with mixing stuff up, you want to try and get it as mixed up as good as you can get it. And then once those ingredients are mixed together, it should look something like this. And if it starts to get hard for you to mix up, you can always use the electrical mixers too. Alright, and then we are going to add the 2 cups of pumpkin. And with the pumpkin, you can use like regular pumpkin or like canned pumpkin. But it's really your choice. Shoot. Alright, and then we need to get all that mixed up. Alright, and then once the pumpkin is mixed in with that, it should look something like this. And it should be kind of... And then we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, and then we need a baking dish. And then we also need a dough too. And then we need to spray the baking dish with cooking spray. Alright, and then we are going to pour this dough into it. And try and get it as level out as possible. And then try to get as much dough out as possible. Alright, and then we are going to bake the pumpkin bars in the oven for about 30 minutes. With the pumpkin bars, you bake it in the oven until a fork comes out of it. And with the frosting, you can use any type that you want, but I recommend using either cream cheese frosting or vanilla frosting. The pumpkin bars are done baking in the oven. It should look something like this. And then with this part, we are going to put the frosting onto the bars. And then we're going to need a rubber spatula. Then we are going to pour it on over like this. Then we are going to spread it out evenly.